just want to show you all what's actually capable of our system. Okay, so we got this job tonight. It's a 6,000 square feet banquet hall. So I have set up my system. It's an ongoing about 215 220 degrees right at the wand, constant heat, and 600 psi. With excellent water recovery. So we have done all that part, and we still have this area to go, and then the second part is actually on that side. But yeah, so we're running, the farthest we actually ran is 190 feet of hose. So we now reduced it to 165. Yeah, 165. So currently it's actually at 165 feet of hose. That's the 25 feet right there to make it 190. Anyway, so that's what that is. We're using that sprayer. So let me just wait for him to do the dry pass, and then I'll show you guys the steamy action. So I had the what do you call that, the speed wand. So I have sold it to my friend. That's because this wand, there's no, this is the best wand I have ever used. So this is the way to go. It's very easy to use, picks up very nicely, recovers very nicely, I would say. Go. And this one replaced my speed wand. I have the TRX Junior as well, but it's very slow. So this is the way to go, guys. I mean, you can walk with this too, eh? And plus it's a lot easier to use it than the speed one. So constant heat, guys, over 200 degrees. I cleaned my heater's jets, those burning jets. I do that yearly. So it was holding on that heat. It wasn't getting as hot as this before, because I kind of I was lazy and I missed it for about a couple of months. But I usually do it once a year. I clean those jets so that way it produces good heat. So now I have it nice and clean jets for this job. Yeah. So let me show you guys the rest. So about 165 feet. I'm running 200 feet of this. That's 200 feet. Actually, I should be reducing that as well, so I can get more heat. I don't know. Yeah, so we got this part here. This is the second part, right? I'm using all electricity today, guys, because it's very easy to find 4 lines here. So one line right there, one line goes somewhere there. That's the third line. And where is it? Oh, here. That's the fourth line right here. Where is it? Actually, huh, where's the fourth line? I got confused. So 1, 2, 3. There's the other one. Oh, there you go. It's hiding up here. So that's the fourth line. I'm not using my generator because you know, I'm saving some money, right? You gotta save some from somewhere. So that's the system right here. You gotta go with this, with these jobs. It's picking up so much filth and dirt that's gonna clog your, if you have a small filter, right, like a small filter bag, one of those socks, those are actually will clog very easily. Yeah? You gotta change probably every, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. So this will not clog the whole job. And let me show you why it would clog. Look at it right here. It's very thick. It's very thick dirt, grease. That's gonna clog your freaking sock very quickly. But anyway, so that's that. I'm hitting it with 600 psi. I cranked it up all the way up. All the way up. With 3 vacuum motors. That's all you need. It's an ongoing thing. This is like a truck mount, exactly like a truck mount. We're getting, I think, 280 lift with this. And according to the manufacturer of these vacuum motors, I should be getting about 350 CFM. So 350 CFM, according to them, not according to me. But I have tested the inches of lift. It's around 280. So it's not bad. Right, there you go. I have the water filling up automatically right there. And I have the, I'll show you guys the rinsing agent, okay? Look at this. So I really got prepared for this job, guys. I mean, my bottle just flew. I really prepared for this job because it's a big job, right? I don't want to come to my truck and fill up things that often. So you got to go at least a good 1,000, 2,000 square feet, right? Before you fill up anything there. So yeah, that's what it is there. And I filled up like 4 of these. So I'm just gonna be filling up shortly for the new ones, because I'm almost finished with these 4 2-gallon spray bottles. Just in case, I brought my T-Rex, just in case. Because I haven't cleaned this for 4 years, so I wasn't sure how bad it was. I just brought, I just want to make sure that it's there. And look at here, I'm filling that's where I'm getting my water from. You won't be able to see the connection, but I'll show you. It's one of those it's this connector right here. So that's this side is garden hose, and this is the another, I think 5 fates or something. I don't know what it's called, but you can get this from Home Depot. So that goes there, the adapter, and then I got this right here. It's dark here, but anyway, that's how that is. So see, you guys see? That's all you need. That's all you need for this. I have no idea what's going on at the back there. It's a banquet hall, and we used to clean this regularly, like twice a year. But because of the pandemic and all that, things were slow for them as well. So we never got any call until 2 weeks ago, and the owner asked me to come and get it cleaned again because they're in business, back in business, of course. Anyway, so that's how that is. Yeah, amazing heat. Amazing wand. Amazing equipment. If you can build something like this, it's a great sprayer too, guys. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys what I'm actually capable of with this system.